Butchie Boys Adventure.
And welcome back again, folks, to another episode of Butchie Boys Adventures. I've got a special guest for you all today. And I'm just waiting for him. He's just went in the shop for some alcohol. So I will bring his back when he comes out. This boy is a living legend. Them of yous that have seen him on my vlogs before will already know, but to any new subscribers, you'll get to meet him on this camp, and he's an absolute mental case. Good laugh. We always have a good laugh together. I'm buzzing that he's out. So yes, he's just went for his alcohol, chaps, and I'll bring his back shortly. Yes, check him out there, the smile on his face, and there he's there. Starzinator is back. So we've got Starzy, Rye Explores Outdoors, we have Big Al Outdoors, and Alan is accompanied by his mate Gibbo. Yes, Stars, lads!
Yes.
How's it going, mate?
Alright, my mate.
You got your tins there?
Alright, tins, skunks, I'm starving.
I've just picked Starzy up this morning. He's just getting some pot money given off his mum. His mum got 10 quid out. A person says, Butch, will you give him that for us, please? Well, Stars, I think you've got a little bit explaining today, actually, to tell the viewers where you've been and why you haven't been out lately.
Working away all the time.
You work?
I work, aye.
Are you sure?
Work with Gerard about it.
Or do you just gone away?
Just gone away. I've got to fucking get away from it because I was smacking you.
See what I mean? Yeah. The people say to me, giving him the stick all the time. This is what I've got to put up with. He's always threatening us with violence, smacking us, doing stupid stuff to us. The only difference being is, my stupidity always gets caught on camera. Never happens when he's bucking the life out of me. Just go and get the tents pitched up. Find our parking spot. And I'll bring his back up on the camp spot, eh? Yes. You can't hear, there's a new flex tail one that looks mint. I've seen loads of I might buy one myself actually.
I think it's 5.21 on value. For the lump.
Aye, that's right, that's why I was going to get it. Flex tail there, and I've seen another channel, what's he called again? He's all over Instagram, Woolly, Scottish lad. Woolly Summit Outdoors. I'll put a thing on the video. He's just bought a flex tail pillar. Said he's seen the flex tail pillars and he's just bought the pillar, so I think I might get the pillar a go. Like.
They're like, the back end of the gun.
Aye. I was actually laughing because that Woolly sent us a text about all these trolls, what's been kicking off lately, and he just sent us a text message of a fist. I was like, go on, boy.
You know, I was telling you, on the way through, why complain about your deal smoking the deal of the salesman?
That's just what happens, Al. It's, you know, I've had loads of them text me as if I'm the bully. Like, hang on a minute, I've never done no wrong. I took my son camping for a memorial thing what we're done at the lake. Because what I'm doing, I'm trying to scatter my other son's ashes on each lake while I'm there. And then I've got one mad up in a big firework, which I'm going to set off on Scarfell Pike. I'll probably get rang for that. Oh, so you've left a stick in the Lake District off the firework. Now, if I can say the firework gone up and say the stick come down, I can't get it. Do you know what I mean? But I'll put a post on. They're all saying there's a rule, Al, at the moment. Well, he's a good one for you. He's a good one for you. Some absolute knacker commented on the post right though, which, again, I've private text messaged him, but leave all of that out of it. He's commented on the post saying, oh, how juvenile is he to walk about with a top on, because I've got top smart keeper with Butchie Boy Adventures wrote on my top. Now, I'll tell you how much of a knacker this bloke is. I've got that top for one reason. If I'm camping, Gip, say like at the back of where you live type of thing, and you see me with a Butchie Boy Adventures top on, and I leave loads of mess that following morning, you can go straight on the internet and say, this messy bastard's left all his gear. You can name and shame us instantly. That's why I wear them.
At the end of the day, mate,
But
you're going to work,
Knacker, you know what he wrote? Exactly. He wrote, last time I had a logo top on was when I was in infant school. What an absolute plum. Aye, getting back to that. You're right, this is what I was going to say. So what happens? Again, because this is a little speech about bullying, guys. This is what this is about anyway. Bullying or trolling, we'll call them. I've got another word for them, but I'm not going to see it on the camera. But, so, that's right. This is what the DD to people. They'll all jump in a little club. If you noticed on all them comments, it was kept private. You couldn't comment and defend yourself or say, hey, whoa, hang on a minute. Kept it private to paint you in a bad light. And they put my post up on that lake basically in rubbish posts as if to say like, oh, look at the state of the lake district of him. That's what they've done. And again, I couldn't boost. What they tried to add in was, we're not on about mess, we're on about fly camping. That's just fly camping means camping at the side of a lake. So it doesn't, fly camping is camping on a hill, like I've just said, forest, anywhere. But the thing what they do is, they'll try and target you as a single individual or me and him together, two people, but it was mainly aimed at me. Thinking that you're going to vanish like a fart in the wind, because that's what people do. If you're getting bullied off 20 people, you'll think, well, it's too many for me to deal with here. But like I've already told the camera, one way to rid bullies, fucking me. Just add another channel, another good channel who I taught is the Walking Wild Camping, a lad called Mozzie.
I built a channel that.
He's just done exactly the same. I've done a camp with him with Ryan on. Can you remember the camp I done for Dave Hostel's final win? Right, Mozzie was on that camp.
His last one, my first one.
He's done a little camp with another channel who I know, D8 Outdoors, Dave Allen, who does hiking. They've done another camp up on. It's like right up in the hills, in an old shipyard building. What's like knocked down. He's done something. The one he's sitting there having a speech on camera about life in, I think they were talking about the Cumbrian Way videos they've done. Someone's texted him saying you shouldn't be camping in old shape buildings and basically give him loads of shit. So, Moz, in case you're watching, my friend, give him one of them like I do. Or buy yourself a sheep coat and blend in up there, will you? And as for D8 Outdoors, the next time I see you, Dave, you better have blue tack stuck to the end of them hiking poles, because I'm not having you scorching the earth with your spikes. Go on, check him out. He's away in that. Has he come back along here? Has he gone? No, he's away. He's just bombing up there. His banks and that. Give me a end of that. I'll do the job for you, boy.
Yes.
How's it going, Stores? That's what you think till later. Look where he's pitched. That Storzy's re-content I gave him. He loves this. Did you get the bar in the right place? That's his little re-conner. He's going to lend my mattress. We were going to do a wild camp, guys, somewhere down in the Yorkshire Hills here, like, but we've ended up finding this campsite. So, I've just gone to get my tent out and big Al Outdoor says, but get your tent box and lay there out. So, I took a bit of advice from Al, because that's never been open for about 6 months. Al's well tretty seller, you chaps. Look at this baby.
Knock
the cobwebs off the boat. I'm going to give it a test mate for their winter.
He's well tretty seller, you're on, he's showing right off. I love them, mate, I do, I love them. Gibbo's in his cloud up too. So Big Al Outdoors is in his brand new Hillyberg, which he loves. How you say it, Hillyberg? Hillyberg. Lovely tent. Gibbo's in his cloud up too. Nature hike. Rye explores outdoors in his Bobcat 1. And the main man Stores is in his Recon. It was like a rhyme, that. Bobcat 1 and Stores his Recon. I'll give you a look how untidy the van is. Stores, I've got a hell of a hat now for you to lend to come with your tent. Oh, mate, you'll have to put on. And once again, chaps, I don't know if you have seen, but there's the the 10 box classic. For them that haven't seen it, I'll take you up and give you a little look inside of it again. I've done a full review of my van and the 10 box on here, so if you flick down the videos you'll see a full review, but them who haven't seen it, look at that, man. It's just like a double bed in here. Memory foam mattress and everything. You get the little bags, keep your bits of gear in. You can open it all up both sides. You get the net on the top to kick your just fly net's falling on us. You get the net on the top there to keep your clears and shoes in. Class, love it. So I'm sleeping in style tonight. Now I'm going to get some cans in a bag, sun shining. I'm going back off the campsite all the way down to Kisdon Force. I'll bring us back further down the track and we're not on one back. There's a boy coming in his quad there. I'm going to pop in the local shop and get some beers down here. Can a little sight this, like he's flying all out fires for people. Can I beat that? I'll give you a look further down what site it is. Ry reckons he's going to jump into Kisdon Force. He's got his shorts in his bag. Looking forward to this. I've got the drone. So let's see how brave he is there. I bet he's like a little girl. As soon as he touches the cold water it'll be like, oh, it's freezing. Aye mate.
Hi mate.
So I'll take you in the local shop just down here in the little campsite village. They've got cans of log in the fridge and I must admit, you know me chaps will be here. It's ice cold, which is a good sign, always a good sign. I did get earlier on 4 cans of cider in the shop. 4 cans of Thatcher cider was a tenner. So I don't know if same rule applies to all the rest of them, but we'll sure find out. Over. Get some fresh water out of here if you want any water. Overall canny little site, toilets there. In case you need a dynamite out in the morning. Drinking water. Yes, Stores. Yes. Stores was not warmed up yet, like he's been he didn't get in the house till what time this morning, Stores?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock this morning. He rang me at 5:30 this morning and said, Butch, I'm up late for camp. I was like, I'm pleased you're up late.
So am I now.
He must think when he's been up all night session and I'm up waiting for him. But he's fell asleep in my van coming down, so
I'm back normal now.
I tell you on the last vlog, guys, didn't I? I'm going to ask him one more time, and he's lucky because he's here now. Just smile his face out because he's a butchy boy. As soon as he's saying, he's like, Butch, I love you, mate.
Shut up, you dirty.
See what I mean?
You will say the
Straight
rough
away.
round, man.
I'm trying to have a bit of fun with him, and I'm a tatey. He said he was going to smack us all.
Those the legends.
Yeah, he's threatening to smack us already again.
You can imagine what's in that backpack and that carrier bag, can you?
Guys, can you see that big tanker there? That's just full of lager for Storzy.
What we got there for 8 o'clock?
It's a nice little moat, isn't it? It's like one of them Volvo adverts. I used to have one of them, innit? Do you remember that advert? There's the sign for you if you just want to have a look at that. Park Lodge car park, all day £3, short stay £2, honesty box at the gate. And here's one for you, Duggan. Every barn tells a story. And that's where we are, chaps. Get the pause button there if you want to have a look at that. It's a cracking little place. Here's a little shop over here as well. Absolutely belter. When we went in earlier on, the woman straight away in the shop. Oh, and there was a canny bloke sitting on that little chair there. We went in the shop, got a couple of beers, paid on the campsite. There's a bottom field following round there down onto the bottom side. There's another site up the top, and there's another lower level camp further down. Here's a lower one, wasn't there? But when we went in the shop, free Wi-Fi in the shop, but it only works when you come in this garden area. So at least you can always phone home if you come in. You know, and it's nice to know in the morning, just so you can text the family or whoever it may be, let them know that you're alright. So me and Stores, he's gone for the day, aren't we, Stores?
Oh, I've some more tins.
Oh, wait, let's get in, Stores. What's happened there with the camera, mate? Something's happened here, mate. Oh, there, we're back.
Can't away from a rotten woodbine.
Aye. Aye, is that what you're having, like? I don't know what that means, guys. Google it. Oh well, here's a little look in the shop. If I get wrong, I'll turn the camera off. Right, chaps. Here's a look inside the little shop here. There's your beer fridge here. You know me. I love a good beer fridge. There's not much else interested in the shop other than beer. But there's the beer. There's some nice sweets for you, some tin stuff in case you're on site. You can get yourselves a bit of beer.
And our store is looking at that fridge.
Definitely.
Some lovely cakes in there. Oh, look at that, they've even got ice cream. Oh no, we'll go mental now to come down here.
The fruit simply.
Yeah.
Check that pot pie out there.
There's some signboard there for toast, tea, cake, soup, roll, cheese, toast, hot bacon rolls.
Here we've got a muff diver, I mean a scuba diver. Alright, Paul?
He's flipping class.
He's like, Scuba Steve.
Right. There's a map of the place for you anyway, folks. Right, have a look at that anyway, because I've got the map on my watch.
That must be like a family graveyard. Yeah!
So I've just done
Family graveyard.
respect.
Is it?
That's the family one, like, but it's a graveyard. Isn't it?
Right, I don't know if we're on the right track, guys, but we'll shopping down. We're more walking back up this bank. Boys has just stormed dead in front of me and all. Let's get in there. Hi, mate, you alright?
What's happening?
Oh, I reckons he's gone in the water. We'll see how much of a girl. We'll see how much of a girl he's gonna be. Yeah.
Alright.
Aye, mate. He reckons he's jumping in, so we'll see. We'll see.
Time will tell him. Time will tell.
As soon as you put your toes in, he'd be like, "Woo!" You sound like all them girls laughing in the playground.
Have you got to tell Dad?
Dad, it's cold. Can you rescue us? I'd be like, "Fuck off."
That's feel brave he is, eh?
And I'm with the Swale Trail Pablo Escobar bridal. Yeah.
Saves 20 bucks.
Just in case you was wondering, at them signs back there, we took the left and we've come down the old path. Kind of steep, isn't it? Yeah, the only thing is here, I don't know what side's going to be the best. Aye, maybe it might be. Lovely little view, this chap's, isn't it? Stars, he's just nearly killed himself. Lovely little place, isn't it? Chaps in the water there. Right, guys.
Oh, mate.
Once again, this is the respect Butchie has for his videos. Yeah? Can't get that right, put in the bag, so. Aye, there's no respect round this end, is there? Right, there's another bit over there, son. Once again, no respect, Butchie, eh? Fly camper Butchie. Absolute plonkers. Get a grip.
Aye, we can get up and around.
Oh, look at that little seat. That's where we've just been, chaps. Ground nesting birds. Yes, John.
You got left for us?
The Bank of Doom.
I can't even tell we've gone somewhere again. It's not involved with the bank.
It's got to be the last one.
Stars, you've got to think about it, mate. You've got to come back down the road.
That's it. Absolute Roger.
I am.
No, my new word, absolute Richard.
Oh, I didn't blame the chair.
Didn't have the bad workman, always blames his tools. Neither one of their lads kicked them out. Because his cage was open and the beast was dead. It's not much further along, the big one. Whoa, watch it. Yes. Yes, guys, we haven't got a clue where we're going here. No. Yeah, straight along that grass, man. Yeah, let me in front there now. I'll test the wheel. We'll just have a look along here first, hang on. Climb down there and up there. Wee aye, man. Easy. How's it going, mate? Does? You enjoying your new adventure, mate? Are you enjoying this new adventure, mate, or what? Are you coming like Roy, or are you going back? Are you going back to the van? Right, well, I'll see you back up at the van. All right, I'll see you back up there. I say you got the bag of tin stores, have you? You got them. Oh, yeah. Mine and stores, his priority is the beer, guys. Nah, they didn't want to follow us down. It's a bit sketchy climbing down all this. Not everyone's into doing a bit of this, guys, so nice to have you back out, Stores.
Yes, but you boys are Avengers.
Yes! I'll get up there in 2 minutes, guys. I tell you what, I might be a fat lad, but I tell you, yeah, there's not a moggy in the UK faster than me. Keep the camera straight, Stores, will you? Yeah. How drunk are you? See, we're arguing already, guys. Stores. Wait till I get up there, mate. I swear to God. Right, you going in? Right away. Hey, look at it. Hey, I'm like Sylvester Stallone. Look. Lysel, can a little Annie. Right away. God, you didn't tell me how to climb up here.
I'll be first, right?
Okay, me and Stores, he's had loads of tins, and we've got loads more with Stores.
And a bottle of vodka.
What's that other one called off Cliffhangers, mate?
Oh, no.
Eh?
I've already seen it once. And I was
Well, you could have watched it, though, so we would have knew the names of everybody.
oh, well, yeah, I'll just think all you were fucking... I'll do all you were fucking...
Right, go. Right, Wagyu and already, chaps, but we're just doing a little bit of climbing. We are main stores in here, so stores does like an adventure, didn't you, mate?
I've got it?
Yes. Well, like he's look at the back of his bag, the back of his bag in a minute. Yeah.
I can't fucking...
We're hanging on the trees and that. Yes!
Love it.
Get out now, you loony, will you?
Hey, Pat, there's some...
Just took a little bit of a... this is the grip of the boat. Look at this stone here. Elias Sportiva boat, these chaps what I've got on. Exactly, stores. This is what I was trying to say, mate. People not believing what I'm saying. Me, oh, here, look at this, stores. Right, look. We've just come along here again, and unfortunately, the lads that went back to camp has got the rubbish bag. So, I can't be picking that one up. But we've picked all the rest up. Actually, mate, yeah, stores, keep out of that sitting there, mate. Watch this. That there, right? Watch how easy this is while this is on camera, chaps. Yeah. So, like you say, the haters can get on haters as much as they want with Butchie Boys channel. Right, we're back at it. Oh, stores. Me and you manage this, mate. We'll manage it. You worry about that, my son. Well, we'll find a route somehow, mate. We'll take our socks and shoes off and go through the what if we've got a mate. Yeah, the stores in here. We'll not get round here. Look at this. Here. 2 minutes. He's going to get wrong again. Yeah, hang on. I said, you lucky stores. You said, sorry, there, mind, mate.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
We are not in a minute.
Me and Storzy is the number ones in town. And Chris.
Wire.
Why were you, be? Tell he's had a few cans, jobs, can't you? Right, away. Yeah. We'll never get along, he says. I bet you me and him have a fight before we get to this waterfall.
In the next 5 foot.
But before we do, Stars, watch them rocks behind us are loose, mate. I didn't want you to fall on a loose rock. I didn't want you to fall on a loose rock so you can see, oh, you had advantage. Oh, I'm here. Watch this, it's mossy, you mind, mate. So I always stick up for me. I'm always looking after them. Well, not stick up for him, I mean look after him, that's what I meant to say. And he just tacks a piss constantly, winding us up, causing us grief. Everywhere I go, how's it going, Stores? How's it going, mate? Cushy or what? Here's a waterfall for you folks. Here's a look at this. It's where me and Stores he's landed. Anyway. This is where they dive in, straight, normally off there, straight in or off here. Straight in the drink. This is where our rye was supposed to be going in, guys. But looks like Stacy's going out of doggies because that does mean I think it's back shortly, chaps. Stacy will have a nice tin. Me and the main stores in here, lads, done it again on the stores.
Oh, yes.
Keep it real. You know my saying, ride the lightning, chops.
Have a bigger why would I?
Exactly. I'll bring you back when we're knocking one back. There's a tree swing there, chops. Got the swing off there into the water. You can dive off the lower one there, into the drink, off the higher ones. You can get off this section where I'm standing straight in. You can even get off that section there, straight in. It's got nice deep water. So, aye, we need that track there. That's the track to come along. If you've been watching the vlog, further back along as we come to the bridge and we've crossed over the bridge to get here, you'd be better off not crossing that little wooden bridge, and you can come all the way along the track and it'll bring you that side of it like. But you know me, guys, I like to make it entertaining for you, and we've come the scrambling way. I'll bring you back because we're making one of Butchie Boy's famous chicken vindaloos, egg fried rice, chips. We have naan breads, onion bargies. Oh, it's not much I haven't got. I'll bring you back at the kiln while we're getting a cam with the rest of the lads. Yes! Got out to see a stores? Got out to see it for yourself? Of course you can, mate. Have you got one still? We'll stop up here and have one, mate. I've got lights and everything in the van to keep it lit up while we're cooking, Mara. Stores, you know I love having you out with, mate. Definitely the one and only Stores, isn't he? Yeah? Some boy. We'll end up arguing again about the van. We're mates for now. Give us half an hour and we'll end up back into the game with each other.
What?
We aye? Oh, he's got vodka and iron brew. Go on, Stores.
And there's a bottle of vodka in the van, isn't there?
Full bottle of vodka in the van, mate. We'll get right into it. Aye?
Aye.
Go on, Stores, show them need respect and belt the bottle straight across. Yeah, the haters would love that, wouldn't you? No.
Not with one camera, no.
Oh, I mean, Stores, he's just gonna relax here and have a nice team. We off all get back the van. I'll bring us back, guys, run the van, curry time. And it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. I've never made a curry for a group before camping. I've always made them in the house, but if you's not, I'm known as Butchie Boy the curry man, so we'll get the reviews. Stores, he's had them before. Stores, I've got some secret chilies to get in this one for you.
Oh, yes.
Because Stores, he does like it burning his bum. Stores, his toilet roll is already in the freezer in my van for in the morning. And
what you on about? Just a block of ice?
just wipe your ass with ice cube.
I'll leave it there.
I've never cooked a curry for Big Al Outdoors. Al's got his mate down Gibbo. Our Rye Explores Outdoors has tasted me curry, but not with these red hot chilies in. They didn't know what chilies I'm putting in it, so we'll have a good laugh out of the van, eh? Guys, we're arguing again. He's shouting again. Yeah, he's kicking off again, Dorsey. He's kicking off again because I've took him on an adventure. Oh, it's Stores.
Fuck off, I was cut off here.
Oh, I thought we were best mates.
My baby, what you doing here, didn't
Good at the moat up on it.
That's what's I'm weird like.
Life isn't about weighing right, Stores. But enjoying yourself. Say we should have went up there and see. So have that chair, Stores, for the bay or what? Exactly, that's what I was thinking about, mate. Right, guys, we're back at the sign I showed you. Back at the chairs. We're gonna have a bay at the chair. I just thought that'd bring us back because he was talking about fighting and everything going up there.
Oh, you can't get fucking
Ah, stars.
You nearly had early night.
Woo!
They be eating, man.
Kisdon Force, give it a visit, chaps. Nice campsite you can stop on. Nice little walk along, especially if you start the route me and Stars he took.
That's a walk. Ninja Warrior, wasn't it?
Aye, it was a bit like a Ninja Warrior programme. Sorry for spitting, guys, that was a midgie. Cushy little place, give it a visit. Give it a visit. £12.50 on the campsite. So, first time I've been on the campsite anyway. And I must admit, the drive here, absolutely splendid. One of Stars.
Dangerous.
I'm not looking forward to going home on the drive, but coming in, class. Anyway, next time you see me, it'll be at the van with the pans blazing.
Yeah, even I said that 3 times.
I know, mate. Keep saying it.
So talk to you, will ya?
I try, folks. We're going to make a nice chicken vindaloo tonight. And I'm going to have that while we're eating it. Crabby's ginger beer, alcoholic beer. Let us have a little look round the food there. We're not doing Michelin star chips tonight because the star of the show tonight is going to be the curry, guys. So we've just got some chips. But we're going to get a secret recipe, vindaloo off. Oh, if anybody wants a lesson in cooking. Because it must think you're a piece of raw meat. Yeah. Did it start again, yeah, mate, today? I'm telling you. Fucking had enough of you going down that waterfall.
You're not in the waterfall, man.
See what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
You tell it all lady.
Ah, mate.
Oh, look, he's got heavy rock round his neck.
We've just had a good conversation about bullying and listening with us. There's not all?
No.
I haven't started yet.
Who says you're getting out?
Why you get down for news off, yeah?
Definitely. Aye.
Aye.
Well, Richie's pal, Storzy.
Famous for legs.
Guys, I'll show you how to do it, Papa. He's watching. And I've got the butcher boy knife and I haven't got loads of time, but watch. Boom. There's all your seeds there.
Yeah.
Straight in the bin. Full pepper, cushy.
Oh, I just want to have some smoke on to watch, mate.
Now where Stars, man? Chill out, man, mate. He's gone again.
I haven't started yet, man.
See what kind of night I'm in for with him, can't you, mate?
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, not Friday, on a glove, like.
He'll be punished, mate. I'm telling you, by 10 o'clock.
I didn't talk that, you know.
Some cooking, I'll give some coke.
Look, I've moved 3 years.
Oh, we'll get it off, Al, will. Definitely. Ease the chicken off. Look at that chicken in there, guys. That's how you do the chicken, that'll do us. We've got some proper Scotch bonnets coming in, coming in here, chaps, I'm telling you. There'll be people searching for toilets and everything 5 o'clock in the morning.
Good old shite in the morning. Shite for a while, but later.
No, there'll be no matter. Is the mix.
Colours on that one.
Does we need a little bit of water, like. Right, so he can sizzle away. canny in there. The star of the show is the curry for us today, mate, I think. So.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's what you call a Ruby Mary.
And we've got some onion barges.
Right, welcome back, guys.
Yes, our lad.
Put that there. Into juicy there. Butchie Boys Adventures. Warm made.
Oh, mate.
Yeah.
Al, honestly,
Cooked
mate.
up for the lads.
Yeah, just while you're there, I'm not just egging you on, but go on, mate, just while I've got you on camera.
Taste of that, taste that. Oh, oh. Oh. Yes. That is a bit aye. Definitely.
Bit spicy, mate.
That did tap my lips off a bit. Oh, yeah.
Storzy likes a bit of that, doesn't he, Stores?
Oh.
That
That is absolutely lovely, that.
Well, aye, if you put the chillies in now, it's not as odd.
Honestly, you want me.
You might have curry hotter if you put the chillies in at the end, so I'm trying to do a little bit of both for everybody.
There's a bit of taste there, it's took my lips off.
But I've got
Hello, kids, we can't.
Big Al Outdoors is kicking right off there, just took his lips off his... I don't know if it's classed as a Vindaloo or a Madras. I think it's more like a Vindaloo. This class one, mate. I love it. Aye, me and me mum and me dad and me gran, we off to Waterloo. Me and me mum and me dad and me gran in the bucket of Vindaloo bucket.
Honestly.
Right, our stores, let's get some flames back on. I'll bring his back, chaps, when we'll get the chips in.
Oh, I can go carry the little
Big Al Outdoors is kicking right off about his curry.
Hey, come on, I can eat this fella.
Anyone wants to buy any brown paint?
Yeah, it's about the fourth can since I've had that sip.
What you having there, like Al?
Pale ale.
We need to peel in.
Yeah.
Gibbs just on the
Especially taken with a good hot curry. Well, it says it on there, aye.
100%.
Absolutely lovely.
Just took his fucking lips off.
What a rush. Yeah, that's a lot of one.
Right, folks, we're just going to get Storzy's little naan bread off the fire. Me and the boys are still waiting for ours. You are, Stores?
Nice one, mate.
Is it up, you think?
I'll probably...
Look at that, man.
Oh, I
Get on. Can I beat it?
What do you think of that, Stores?
Can I beat it?
Go on, I dare you, slag it off.
Can I beat like British curry? Fucking shit.
Absolutely terrible. Yeah, Stores will still be up for something, wouldn't you, Stores? There we go, look at that. Butcher's famous Madras.
The famous Madras.
What we got? I've took my time on the rice, guys, because I'm on a diet. But we've got an onion bhaji. Look at that. Yeah.
Good fellow.
Good for getting damaged, don't you?
We have a bit of chard. Greek bread.
I fucking hate the country, it goes wrong, but
I'm still kicking up. Big Al Outdoors is kicking right off out there. He's fucking there. I think next time we'll do your chow mein and all.
Hot one.
Wow. Spicy chow mein, Al.
Sweat like a cunt,
Mind the language, guys, but we've tasted one of Butch's curries. I love it. Anyway, chaps, I'll show you what I'm having before I go to bed. I'm out with the lads, I've got to let me head down. Ginger beer, alcohol, crabbies. And I must admit, we did come down today for the wild camp. We were on a wild camp, the lads will proof it up there.
But we've ended up actually on a campsite, so all the lads has got the tents up, and I've put my tent box up. It needs air now. It's never been put up for ages, so I'm going to jump upstairs in the tent box. And hopefully I'll see he's back sitting on the fire shortly. I'm going to enjoy this tea. I'll have a bit cracking a bit there. I've had a lovely curry there. First one to bed today, like is the Rye Explores Outdoors in here. He was straight in there. He was asleep by 10 o'clock him. Good laugh there with the lads tonight. Cooked some good food. They're still sitting out having a crack on now, like, but I've jumped into my tent box. I gives a little look round it again. That's me shade up there. Some nice room in this tent box, like. Ideal for the summer when you can leave it all wide open, like, but I've got it all well closed up today because it's freezing. But my old trusty sleeping bag is doing the job up to now. It's been a good sleeping bag, this, actually, to be fair. Euro hike down sleeping bag. I think it's a 400 down or something, like, whatever it is, I don't know. I'll fetch it back in the morning and we'll have a nice coffee and see what food we've got kicking about there. Peace out, chaps. See you in the morning. And a very good morning, folks. I've just got the kettle on there. The newbie. Have a coffee. The boy's just getting tidied up. I'm laughing at Al, he's just seeing stores. He's camouflaged his boots at the side of his tent round there after that curry last night.
Bed on you.
Yeah, he's the worst view known to man. Look at that. Oh, get out of the way of him. The green mist coming out that tent off his breath.
Fucking free.
It's language, Storzy. Richard might be listening.
What?
Just for them trolls that put me van on Facebook and all, if you want another look hard in the red there, it's there, you absolute muppets. So that's where all the boys were, as you can see. Nice and tidy again.
As always.
Anyway, folks, once again, nice one for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you like. Latest, keep it real.
But your boy's adventure